Alright, boys and girls, welcome to your third video of system of equations. In this video, I'm going to focus on system of equations using the substitution method. Substitution method is a method of solving a system of equations wherein one of the equations is solved for one variable in terms of the other variables. So, in this case here, we have two equations where one equation is solved for one of the variables. So 2x minus 3y equals negative 1, and y is equal to x minus 1. We're going to substitute x minus 1 for y in the first equation, and this will help us to solve for x. So I'm going to plug in x minus 1 for y, since y is equal to x minus 1. So I'm going to rewrite my equation as 2x minus 3, and I'm going to replace y with x minus 1, which is equal to negative 1. Now I'm going to apply multi-step equations to solve for x. So I'm going to apply distributive property. 2x minus 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Which is equal to negative 1. I'm going to combine any like terms. So 2x minus 3x is negative 1x, or just negative x, plus 3 equals negative 1. I'm going to use inverse operation, so instead of adding 3, I'm going to subtract 3 to both sides. So I'm left with negative x equals negative 4. Now to get rid of my negative x, I can divide both sides by negative 1. So I'm left with x is equal to 4. Now, in order to complete the system of equations, I need an ordered pair that satisfies both equations. So I still need to find a y. What I'm going to do is plug in this x into this equation here to solve for y. So y is equal to 4, which is x, minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, so y is equal to 3. I'm going to write this as an ordered pair, x comma y. So my final answer is 4 comma 3. This concludes your video on the substitution method. So what I want you to do is go ahead and complete the student example, and we will go over that example tomorrow in class. All right, have a great evening, and if you need to rewind the video to look at any more steps or to just kind of refresh a little bit, you may do so. All right, have a good night.